Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode with your man Paradox the Rapper, your favorite DIY YouTube rapper. Today we're going to be doing some awesome upgrades on my MR2s. No, not this one. We're going to do some stuff on the red one. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for all the comments and all the likes from my previous videos, and especially thanks to all those new subscribers that just came in and all you guys that have been with me from day one. I really appreciate all the love and support. Keep watching my stuff, guys, and subscribe and comment, and I will continue to do a lot more content on these cars and all the interesting stuff that I'm gonna wrap. So this episode is brought to you by Campos. I'll link his name on Instagram and his website right here. And go to his website. You can get all the goodies for MR2s, especially the SW20 version. Thank you, Campos. You're the man, bro. Taking care of me. Let's go see what he sent us. Okay, we're gonna start back here today and give you guys some content update on the Spider and VR4. The Spider is looking very nice when it's out in the sunlight with that holographic. Some of you guys may not like it, but I think this is very amazing, very unique. No one has this wrap, so I'm gonna stick with it. I have a new part for the Spider that I'm going to be installing very soon, so I'll do a video on that one, but the kit is back together and it's looking nice. I just got to put the splitter rods on. The VR4, there's going to be a lot more content coming soon for the VR4, so stay tuned for that. Major upgrades, because that's going to be my main show car. These are just the dailies. But let's walk over here, guys, and check out what we got for the SW20. I swear, if these chickens would stop crowing when I'm doing a video, I'm gonna eat one of you fuckers. You better watch out. Okay, so the MR2 is looking very nice. The wrap is looking beautiful. And here is the box that my man Campos has sent me. So you guys know what time it is. Let's go. Let's see what's inside. All right, this is kind of hard to cut one-handed, but we're gonna try. Oh yeah. Oh man, here it is. I haven't actually seen what's inside here, but I know what he sent me. Oh, look at a nice packaging job this guy does. Oh yeah, Michelle's back. I hope she brought me some food. That Audi with the active arrow looks pretty awesome when it's up. I think it needs a body kit and wheels. What do you guys think? But here we got the part all nice and packaged. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod and I'm gonna open this up and see how this fits. Okay, the sun is setting fast, so let's do this and see what Campos sent me. I've actually had this part sitting around for probably a good 2 months or so. Just because I'm so busy with wrapping, I don't even have time to do my car, and then I don't want to do like new parts and shit when it's not, you know, the weather's not nice and I can't film it. So I've just been saving this for today when it's nice and sunny, so you guys can check out his nice work. So this is what will actually complete the look. I'm trying to be very careful. Trying to be very careful not to damage this as I open it, because it is fiberglass. Oh yes, Campos, my man. That's what's up right here. This, guys, is the apron. So I got it mocked up in the back. Let's have a little profile look here. Look at how that just completes the look of the car. Makes this thing look so amazing. I gotta wrap this today. I'm sorry. The GTI is gonna have to wait. Here, look at that fitment though. Damn, the fitment is like on point. So this needs to go back a little bit because I don't have it mocked up correctly, but this fits very nicely. Just maybe a little bit of sanding needed, but it comes down all the way to here like that. And then you can fit your fat ass, those dual cans ones. I really love the dual cans, like eBay exhaust. I'll put one of those on. But man, This really fills out the look, guys. Campos, he does an amazing job. You guys have to get something like this if you have an SW20. There's all kinds of styles you can choose from. You don't have to go with this one. He's got like 4 different varieties that will fill out whatever kit that you actually have. So I feel like this one really matches the Bomb X side skirts, and it's gonna make it look even more amazing once I really dump this thing to the ground. And I'll probably do a diffuser on it as well. But here you can see the back of it is very well done. Lots of strong fiberglass laid right here. Very high quality. It feels very sturdy, so it's not weak at all, and the curves are just very nice. So normally when you guys do these, you're gonna have to kind of do a little bit of light sanding and then paint it. But because they just come the way it is right now, it's perfectly ready for me to wrap it. So all I have to do is just lay some wrap on this bad boy. I'll probably wrap this front side and then do the under part as a different piece, and this part around the back as a different piece, just so it doesn't lift on me. But man, this is so great. All right, guys, I'm gonna get on the time lapse and start wrapping this thing, and I'll show you guys what this looked like once it's all wrapped and mounted on the car. Okay, guys, here it is, the completed piece. I want to put this on before it gets dark. So here is what you gotta do. What I did was I set the inside part. This part touches the, or is near the muffler or the exhaust. I did this part first, and I laid a knifeless tape piece right there, right? And then you cut that, and then what you want to do is lay another knifeless tape piece, so that you can lay this whole big piece right here all the way from the front to the back, and overlap right here. So then when you pull the tape, you'll have this nice clean cut. You don't want to wrap this in one piece unless you're using like either way. I wouldn't recommend wrapping this in one piece under any brand, just because this area gets real hot and it gets real dirty. So you don't want there to be pullback from like right here. That's why you do this as a separate piece. Oh shit, okay, so up here, oh man, fucking ruined it. That's what happened. Over here on this side, this is the bottom part that faces the ground, so it's not that important. It's just important that you have a piece that makes it not lift up. So I cut it off at the edge here, and then I just laid another piece, just a scrap piece under here, so that it holds it in place. And then on this side, you do as a separate piece as well, just like that. I did damage this a little bit in moving it around, so you see like there's these dots right here. That's because it touched the ground when I was moving it. So what I can do is just lay a strip along this seam right here, and that will make it disappear. All right, I'm gonna put this on, jack the car up first, take the wheel off, then I can screw it onto here, and then on from probably back there somewhere. Okay guys, I'm out here at my favorite, one of my favorite photo spots. Just gonna capture some pictures real quick. No parking zone. That's okay. We're just gonna get out of here right after, but here is the aprons on the back. Let me see if we can have a good look here. So this is what the aprons look like. I need exhaust, but basically I have it set up like this, where when you wrap it, you just anchor it over there, and then you pull into this crease right here, and then you pull it all the way around. This back piece is a separate piece, and then I just put 2 bolts right there. I can use some better hardware, or use 3M tape, and then you won't see that. So, but since I'm a wrapper, it's okay. I can just redo that portion if I wanted to. But yeah, guys, this is what it's looking like out here. It looks a little orange on camera, but it's not. You just gotta see this color in person to really appreciate it. It's like fire red, like lava. So it's pretty cool. on earth? Pig battle. Pig battle. What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you guys doing? You guys fighting? Guys, this is how you floop a pig. Honey, do it. Do it. Do it. I need to go back. Okay. Michelle's gonna floop the pig. You just basically scratch it on its side. He's not flooping.
No.
Scratch under his belly.
Give him a second.
Oh, yeah.
There he goes.
Oh, there he goes. And he's down. He's down. He's down. He's got his belly rubbed.
Down for the rubs. Down for the rubs.
Oh, yeah.
He's a sweet boy.
Michelle's a pig tamer.
Yes. Pig whisperer.
Oh, Hamilton! Before we close out this video, I'm going to show you guys what I'm working on. I'm going to inject a little bit of my wrap stuff into my regular car stuff that I do, just so there's some interesting content. Here I have a Volkswagen GTI, and that's his crew right there, Static Struggle. Holla at them. I'm wrapping this in the Color Shift Tech Wrap. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's like a blue purple gem. Looks really dope. Look at, oh damn. I did a little bit of sanding up here just because the paint was flaking off, but once you wrap over that, you won't be able to see anything. This color is so awesome. I had to work around that stupid door thing. I wish that was gone. A lot of the GTI guys delete that. This guy should too. But here, look at that. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. It's like super nice with the color shifting. It's got real depth to it. Tech Wrap does a very good job at their material. I'm kind of in love with their color shift. I might do one later on, but look at that overview right there. I love the way this color shifts. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the time-lapse footage, how I got to this point. And then let's close this out. Okay, one more look around before we close this video out. I definitely think I need more low, just because the back apron now looks a little lower than the side skirt. What do you guys think? But this color is so amazing because you guys just saw it at around sunset, 5:30, 6 o'clock. It was like kind of bright orange and like lava-ish. Now it's like a deep maroon red with like a ruby type finish. So this color is really dope because it does this effect in different lighting. So that's what it's all about, guys. These aprons look really good. Look at that. Man, these things are my favorite. All I really need now is some exhaust just to complete the look. Don't you guys think? But yeah, this is kind of why you want to wrap, is because when you get accessories and stuff like this, let's say you get a new wing, right? Or you get different style aprons or different style side skirts. You're gonna have to go and get them painted and paint match. I don't know how much that costs, but I can guarantee you that wrapping it the same color is a lot cheaper. Literally, I'm only spending like a 5-foot piece that's like you know, a couple inches tall to do both pieces. So that's dope right there. Okay, so that's about it for this video. Thank you all for watching and coming to my channel. I really appreciate all the new subscribers coming from Christian's channel and from the Eliminate guys. I'm so happy that you guys are digging my stuff and my content. Tune in for more MR2 stuff and VR4 stuff. There's gonna be big plans for the VR4. With this MR2, I'm actually really interested in trying to learn how to drift it. I know you guys are gonna be lighting me up in the comments and saying I'm gonna die and kill myself from trying to drift an MR2 because you're just fighting it. The snap oversteer is hard and you can't manage that in the drift. Yeah, I got it. Okay, but in the Drift Bible, there is a section on how to drift the MR2. I haven't listened to it the whole way or even tried it, but I'm gonna try it, and we'll see how that goes. It's kind of I think about it like rapping, where if I tried it using the hardest material from eBay and then I went to the easiest material, I got really good at it really quickly. So if I'm trying to drift in the hardest car to drift in, and then I go to a real drift car, then it'd be a lot easier. Now, I don't need another car per se. I kind of want to get a 240, but then now I have another car sitting in the yard and some more maintenance to keep up. So I don't know. I'm going to try this one first. If you know any information on how to drift this thing, or any advice I can get on like suspension setup that I should be getting, like reinforced knuckles or whatever, hit me in the comments, message me on Instagram, and then let me know what you guys think and what I should be getting. So thank you guys again for watching. Thank you, Campos, my man, for sending me these awesome aprons. These aprons are what I've kind of always wanted on this car. So he's got all kinds of like different styles of aprons, different styles of wings, different like hatches and hoods and stuff like that, and all kinds of goodies for your MR2. If you've never seen the Marvel MR2, go Google that right now and check it out. He makes all the stuff for that thing, and it's such a beast. So thank you again, Campos. Here's his website. Here's his Instagram. Go to the website, check out his stuff, place an order. I'm gonna get him to use a code pretty soon, so hopefully he can get a code going for me where you guys can get a discount, so stay tuned for that. If there is a code, it's gonna be in the description, in the text below. So until next time, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys later.